We're making some nice taquitos. We're going to taco shells, la salsa, and we head on over to the kitchen, boy and girls. We got that tomatoes, green pepper, onion, chimol right there, ready for them tacos. Hope you guys get hungry. Check us out. We out here cooking in the kitchen. Tomatoes, carne, cebolla, chile, green peppers. We're in the mix right here. Cooking all day. I cook these taquitos for dinner. We're setting it up nice and hot. Check us out for some more videos coming soon on YouTube, TikTok. Aquí con la familia, chilling. Viendo esta carne deliciosa que se mira. Real nice. Hi, my love, my wife right here cooking. She in the kitchen. Say hi, babe.
Hi.
We out here cooking some good stuff for tonight. So hope you guys like my videos. We're gonna keep posting up stuff coming soon. She putting the cilantro right there on the chimol with a little bit of, ¿qué más le pone, babe?
Limón.
Lemon, green peppers, tomatoes and onions. Getting ready to chow down. So keep y'all updated on stuff out here we cooking. Spend some time on here. Va a quedar delicioso. Very, very, very good. Look at that taco meat. That taco meat cooking. Yeah. See how she squeezed the lemon? Them tacos gonna be delicious. We got hard shell tacos, soft shell tacos, tortillas tacos, taco de pollo también coming soon. If y'all wanna see that recipe, come check us out. Go on my YouTube, Tito Youtubero. We be live in action. Hope to see y'all soon. Ahí los vemos, mi familia and YouTube. Peace.